everyone, in today's video I'm super excited to share with you some Caribbean vegan food. This recipe is literally bursting full of flavours and it's so delicious and fun and easy to make. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. And also please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for loads more. It literally means so much to me when you do. I appreciate you guys so much. First thing I'm going to be doing is chopping up some spring onions. And I've also got some parsley and some thyme and a little bit garlic and ginger. I never normally use garlic, guys. I'm really not a big fan of it. I much prefer ginger and its health benefits. And I really think that this is the last time I'm going to use it. I don't know why. I thought I'd try, but I just don't like the smell that it gives off and everything. Ginger all the way, guys. Just taking some of my lovely ginger, and ginger is so beneficial for the body. It literally takes acid from the body, like it detoxifies your body, and it's really good. Like if you've got stomach problems, it can like ease nausea, it can improve your digestive system. It's amazing, guys. Just peeling off the skin, and then I'm just using a little grater to grate it. Now just taking some red onion. I absolutely love red onion. It's so beneficial for you. Fun fact of the day, onions can actually help you if you suffer from allergies, as they can be used as a natural antihistamine basically, which is awesome. They're really good for strengthening the body's immune system. So one of my top tips is chopping your veggies and then storing it in the freezer, which basically decreases your cooking time, and it helps if you're in a rush or if you came in from work like me and you're tired and you just want to quickly get your cooking done. Now just taking the garlic, my enemy. Gonna peel off the skin and then I'm gonna grate it as well with the little grater. Now just gonna take some grapeseed oil. It's a good source of vitamin E and it's high in omega-6 as well. Gonna saute all our ingredients that we chopped up like so. Now I'm just gonna add in my seasonings. I'm firstly gonna take some ginger powder. Really beneficial to saute it properly and get all the onions caramelized and really lock in your flavor. Just adding in some bay leaf as well. Now it's time to take the green lentils, and I'm using these organic green lentils which have already been soaked in water, and I'm just going to give them a little rinse. And I'm now just going to take some tinned. I never normally use tinned, as I know tinned is not good for you at all. But hey, I'm trying something new, guys. And I don't think I'll try tinned again, to be honest. But hey ho, normally I use a glass bottle of passata. So these are chopped tomatoes and I added them in. I'm just going to add in some organic cayenne pepper, which is my favorite. I just love it because it adds a little kick to the food. Makes your food a little spicy. I'm also adding in a little bit coriander powder for extra flavor. Now it's time to add in the lentils like so. Just adding in a little bit of water. I bring it to boiling point and then I'm going to let it simmer, yeah? Just tweaking it a little bit as I go. And I do always like to taste my food whilst cooking so I can see if it needs a little bit more salt like I've just added. I hadn't actually added any sea salt, so yeah, I just added the sea salt for the first time. But my top tip whilst cooking is always taste your food to see if it's to your liking. If not, you can tweak it accordingly. If it's too salty, add in a little bit more water to dilute it. If it's not salty enough, obviously add in salt. Now it's time to add in the jerk seasoning. This is what's gonna give you that jerked gentle. Oh my god, jerk gentles. I mean jerk lentils. Literally, guys, I'm so tired. It's like 20 to 2, 1 8. It's oh my god, it's 20 to 2. That's how tired I am. Anyways, so I'm just gonna add in the jerk seasoning. That's what's gonna make our lentils jerk lentils. You get it? Anyway. Guys, I don't suggest you go OTT with this because I actually went to town with this jerk seasoning and it was really like OTT. So just like bear that in mind. Don't add in too much. And I've just sprinkled in some fresh coriander, which is my number one. Oh my god, I dropped this salt inside. I was tired that day as well. And now I'm adding in some thyme. Thyme is really good. Thyme is such a good herb. It basically aids in improving your heart health. It's rich in antifungal and antioxidant properties. It provides relief from stress. It can boost your immune system. It improves blood circulation. It's also beneficial in improving your vision. And it's really good at curing respiratory ailments such as bronchitis or seasonal allergies, for example. Coriander is also really beneficial as it's full of antioxidants and it also may help lower your blood sugar levels. It can fight infections. Also a really good source of iron and it can also promote your digestive health. It's really beneficial for regulating irregular periods. Now just taking some dark agave and I'm going to add it in for a little bit sweetness to our lentils. And I also added in a Scotch bonnet pepper. Agave is a really good sweetener because it's derived from a Mexican plant, therefore it's vegan approved and it can have like a low impact on your blood sugar, therefore it's beneficial for people who suffer from like diabetes. It has a very low GI. Going to chop up a lime and then I'm going to squeeze some into the soup and this will create a little zesty kick. Now just quickly chopping up some plantain. Fun fact, these are called makemba in Lingala. I just want to drop that in there because I always call it Makimba for my little ones. Now it's time to plate it up. Also doing a taste test.
I'll eat this much. Give me some of the sauce too.
You get your spoon. How is it? Is it nice, Kay? Nice, Ty?
I ate it with the soup. It is better with the thing.
Have you tried, Kay?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
I like it.
Would you rate it?
10 out of 10. Really good. Love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So grateful for my two beautiful little sunshines. I'm truly blessed, gifted. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Plated this up with some brown rice and some fried plantain. Delicious. Also sprinkled some coriander on top.